Hi! In front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by going into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on Security and Location, tap on Screen Lock over here and pick one of the login methods. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it. Then pick one of the options. I will go with no. Draw my pattern, click next at the bottom right corner, then repeat it and tap confirm. Over here you need to choose when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. Tap on one of the options. I will go with don't show notifications at all, and when you're done, click done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!